Insights into the Australian sandalwood trade and its connection with India. 1. Australia boasts diverse species of sandalwood, with Santalum spicatum, or Australian sandalwood, emerging as the most commercially significant. 2. Indigenous Australians have embraced sandalwood for centuries, incorporating it into traditional medicine, spiritual ceremonies, and beauty practices. 3. The Australian sandalwood industry has undergone a resurgence, fueled by the increasing global demand for sustainable and ethically sourced sandalwood products. 4. Western Australia stands as a major center for sandalwood cultivation, particularly in arid regions where these trees flourish in well-drained sandy soils. The primary product derived from the Australian sandalwood tree is its highly valued sandalwood oil, extensively utilized in perfumes, cosmetics, and aromatherapy. 6. The meticulous extraction of sandalwood oil often involves steam distillation of the heartwood, ensuring the preservation of the oil's aromatic compounds. 7. Australian sandalwood oil is renowned for its high quality and distinctive fragrance profile, making it a sought-after ingredient in the fragrance industry. 8. Sustainable practices play a pivotal role in the Australian sandalwood industry, with a dedicated focus on conserving natural habitats and responsibly harvesting sandalwood trees. 9. Sandalwood plantations in Australia actively contribute to the conservation of native sandalwood populations, alleviating pressure on wild resources. 10. Beyond its economic significance, the Australian sandalwood industry actively engages in environmental conservation, supporting reforestation efforts and fostering biodiversity in the regions where these trees are cultivated. In the context of trade and commerce between Australia and India, trade ties. India and Australia maintain a robust trade relationship, notably evident in the sandalwood industry, where India serves as a prominent importer of Australian sandalwood oil. Traditional uses in India. Similar to Australia, sandalwood holds cultural and religious significance in India, featuring prominently in traditional ceremonies, religious rituals, and the production of incense. Cosmetic and Ayurvedic industries. Sandalwood plays a crucial role in the Indian cosmetic and Ayurvedic sectors, with its essential oil utilized in various skincare products, perfumes, and traditional Ayurvedic medicines. Collaborative efforts. The shared interest in sandalwood could foster collaborative initiatives between India and Australia, focusing on research and sustainable practices within the sandalwood industry. Potential for trade growth. The increasing demand for sandalwood products in India presents an opportunity for further economic ties between the two countries, offering mutual benefits to their respective sandalwood industries. Cultural exchanges. Beyond trade, cultural exchanges between India and Australia may involve the exchange of knowledge and practices related to sandalwood, highlighting the cultural significance of this aromatic wood in both nations. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our over 200 fragrances on extravagantfragrances.com. Take care, everybody!